Today I'm going to show you the best chicken tikka recipe which you can prepare easily at home using pan. Trust me, this tikka is so juicy and tasty. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chicken tikka on pan. First, in a mixing bowl, drop 100 grams of curd. Curd makes the chicken tender and juicy. To this curd, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients well. After mixing, keep this bowl aside. Now take 500 grams of boneless chicken. Here I'm using chicken breast meat. Breast meat is easy to cut and you can have big size pieces. Cut the meat into big size pieces. Look, the chicken pieces should be like this, thin and big. If the pieces are thick, masala will not go inside layers. Now drop the chicken pieces into masala mixture which we prepared at first. Coat the masala to the chicken pieces. After coating well, cover with stretch film and refrigerate as minimum 4 hours. After 4 hours, take out the chicken. Heat up the pan, drop 2 tablespoons of oil and place the chicken pieces. Cover the lid and cook on medium flame for about 3 minutes. If you cook on high flame, chicken will not cook inside. After 3 minutes, take out the lid and rotate the chicken pieces periodically and continue to cook till they are ready. When chicken turns to golden brown color, it's ready almost. Take out and serve hot chicken. That's it. Our chicken tikka is ready. Very easy, right? In this recipe, you can adjust the chilli powder as per your taste.